our administrators, teachers, guests, parents, and fellow graduates, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Finally, we're now graduating. My heart is filled with joy and sadness. Despite the difficult circumstances, we made it possible. High school is indeed memorable, from our tawanan, kulitan, to tampuhan and awayan. Memories seem rushing back today. When I remember a few years back, when I first set foot at St. Francis Academy, there were a lot of emotions that had been felt. I was excited, eager to meet my teachers and classmates. There were also some struggles, confusions, doubts, afraid that I would meet my teachers' expectations. However, as years went by, I let myself be comfortable, be determined, and be confident in people's presence. I experienced those adjustments and struggles which helped me be molded to who I am today. And for that, I would like to express my gratitude and appreciation to all those who gave me their support, hope, guidance, and love as I celebrate this milestone. First and foremost, to my parents. Thank you for supporting, loving, and hearing me out from all the rants I shared whenever I was stressed in school. Thank you for all the inspirations and reminders to make me improve. Thank you for being happy and proud with my grades. This is for you, to humbly give back and show my gratitude for having parents like you. To my classmates and friends, thank you for sharing your journey with me. We have been through a lot and I enjoyed it well. I learned a lot from you, and it made me strive harder in my studies and goals. I will miss you all. My junior school life wouldn't be complete without you. And of course, to our teachers, our second parents, thank you for believing and guiding us to pursue our dreams. You set an inspiration and empower us to who we are today. We will always remember your knowledge and experience. Thank you for not giving up on us. Thank you for all the hard work you have invested to bring out the best in us. Again, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you so.
And to our beloved school, St. Francis Academy of Pampanga, thank you for making us grow as a student, as a leader, and as a person. Thank you for developing our skills and talents to make us better persons. We will cherish our amazing moments in this school. I know it's been tough, but let's fight, be strong, and be brave, and never stop dreaming. Believe in yourself and go out of your comfort zone and face new adventures. We will now part ways, and I hope we'll grow more for our new beginning. This is the biggest achievement, and I'm proud of us. Congratulations, we did it. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Thank you so